to kick it away. Senior, left footer, gets the boot into it, kicks it towards the box. It's headed away by Academy, played towards Anderson. Tessa Anderson tried to get it ahead. Unable to get it was Mariner. This is Hart. She's played off the ball. Anderson again. Once again tried to get it to Mariner, and they clear it. But this time Academy gets it back. Trying to control was Anderson. Anderson had to go by her. Cleared back into the zone. And Academy gets it back near midfield. Finishing up the first 10-minute overtime period. It's played toward the middle, headed toward the net, and in a goal!